How to reset and recover Google Classroom password. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to reset and recover your Google Classroom password. First things first, let's head over to the Google sign-in page, open your browser and simply go to accounts.google.com. If you're already logged in, make sure you sign out before continuing. Now simply type in the email address that you use for your Google Classroom account and click next. Once you're on the password page, if you can't remember your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the password recovery options. Google will ask you to enter. Simply check on your phone and simply tap the yes on the notification. You can do that, or if you cannot do that, you can simply choose try another way. Just do anything that will help you to recover your account. Once you've done that, simply set up your new password, and now that your password's reset, you can go ahead and log into your Google Classroom account. Just enter your email address and the new password, use the sit, and you'll be back in action.